You ever wake up and feel like your body forgot how to move? Like your spine's locked up, your energy stuck, and your thoughts already sprinting before your breath even begins? Let's reset all of it before the noise begins. Let's hit the mat. This one's a game changer. When your spine feels compressed and your hips locked, this is how you breathe space back into both. Stand with feet shoulder width apart. Drop into a deep squat, elbows inside knees, chest lifted. Now plant one hand on the floor or grab your ankle and rotate the other arm to the sky. Feel that twist across your spine. Alternate sides slowly. Beginners, keep the rotation small and hold on to your knees. Advanced, push the floor away and open wide through the chest. This move activates your glutes, ankles, spine, and digestion. Yep, twisting helps your gut wake up. Give me one more twist. Reach like your breath depends on it. That just unlocked your back. Now let's loosen up your hips. Now we're taking that rotation deeper into the core and hips. Step your right foot forward into a low lunge. Left hand plants on the ground. Right arm rotates open to the sky. Breathe deep into that twist. Switch sides at 30 seconds. Beginners, lower your back knee for stability. Advanced, keep the back leg lifted and pulse slightly. This move rebalances spinal alignment and improves hip mobility at the same time. I promise you'll feel more grounded and taller. Feel that tight line running across your lower back? Breathe right into it. That just opened your hips. Now let's spiral the spine. Time to reawaken your rotational control and have a little fun with it. Stand tall, feet hip width apart. Place your hands on your hips. Now slowly rotate your hips like you're hula hooping. Switch directions halfway. Beginners, keep the range small. Advanced, add arms and make the circles bigger. This isn't just playful, it's powerful. This move resets your vestibular system, balances your pelvis, and shakes off stiffness stored overnight. Five more seconds. Bigger circles. Move like you're unlocking something. That just restores your rhythm. Now let's raise your fire. This is your internal wake-up call. Breath, twist, fire, activated. Stand tall, hands behind your head. Bring your right knee towards your left elbow, then left knee to right elbow. Keep the pace rhythmic, not rushed. Beginners, slow it down and keep the knees low. Advanced, speed up slightly and add a crunch. Cross-body movements like this activate both sides of your brain. That means more focus, more clarity, more control. Keep going. Can you do 5 more without breaking rhythm? That just woke up your core. Now let's finish at the fingertips. Your wrists carry the weight of your habits, scrolling, typing, tension. Let's reverse that. Extend both arms in front, make soft fists, roll your wrists outward for 30 seconds, then switch directions. Beginners, stay gentle and focus on range. Advanced, add small pulses or resistance with the opposite hand. Tight wrists, limit posture, shoulder strength, even neck alignment. I promise this tiny move has a massive payoff. Still rolling? Now squeeze your fist tight, then release. You've stretched, activated, twisted, and reset, and your body knows it.